We'll guide you through how to fix AirPods Pro 2 Lite not working or turning on. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem can be really annoying as you're trying to go and see what the AirPods are doing. We've got some different fixes you can try. First of all, close the lid and open it again and see if the light then starts working. Sometimes it will. If it still isn't, it's completely blank, then what you need to try doing is charging the AirPods. If they've gone out of battery, that could be why there's no light. So what you need to do is check the bottom and see what cable it requires. The newer ones are going to use USB-C, while the older ones use Lightning. But also some of them are going to support wireless charging. You can see when you plug it in, it starts glowing orange. This means it's charging. After they've charged for at least 10 minutes, go and see if when you open them up, the light then goes and appears. If it still doesn't or the light's intermittent, then what you want to do is go and place both buds in the case. What you can then do is come onto the back and you want to go and hold down the button like so. Keep it held down until it starts flashing orange. When it's finished, you can let go and hopefully that goes and solves the problem if charging didn't. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.